Next year, I will have been teaching English for over 8 years. When my wife gets home later, I'll have been working all day, so I'm going to be pretty worn out. These are both examples of the future perfect continuous tense.
Robert teaches English.
We use the future perfect continuous tense in two main ways. Firstly, we use it to talk about how long an action will have been going on. So just like we use the present perfect continuous to talk about how long an action has been going on. For example, I have been talking to you for about 42 seconds. In 10 more seconds, I will have been talking to you for about 52 seconds. Now, if you watched my video on the future perfect tense, you're going to notice that this is the same first use. However, you will also notice that in that video, I was only using stative verbs because we don't usually use stative verbs in the continuous form. Why would we use the future perfect continuous tense to talk about how long something will have been happening? Maybe if it's a nice number, like maybe you've been working at your job for 11 months and you're excited about working there for a year. So you could say, by this time next month, I will have been working here for a whole year. We also use the future perfect continuous tense to talk about what action will have been happening before something else happened, usually to set up the situation or to forewarn or to give some sort of context to somebody. Like I said, when my wife gets home, I will have been working all day, so I'll be tired. Now, she knows this, but if she didn't know this, maybe I could tell her so that way she wouldn't expect me to be full of energy and ready to party. Think of it as a projection into the future version of the way we use the past perfect continuous to set up a story. So if you remember from my past perfect continuous video, you might remember that when we're preparing a story, we might say something like, "It had been raining all day," just to set the mood for the story. We can do this in the same fashion. And those are the two main uses of the future perfect continuous tense. Again, we use it to talk about how long an action will have been happening at a point in the future, or we use it to set the scene or prepare someone, let them know what will have been happening right before something else happened. And just to warn you, by the time this video is over, I will have been sitting here with this light in my face for over an hour, so if I'm blinking a lot, that might be the reason. As always, I want to thank you for learning with me. I hope you know you're doing a fantastic job, and I hope you know I believe in you. I'll see you soon.